These 5 things were made from wood. You can carve any of them this weekend, even if you've never picked up a knife before, and they'll mean more than anything you can order online. Most handmade gifts fail because the project was too ambitious, or the deadline ran out, or the result looked unfinished. These 5 don't. Each one has a clear shape, manageable tools, and a result you'll actually be proud to give. A carved bunny and egg set from 2 small basswood blocks. A dove, compact, symbolic, 1 afternoon of work. A spoon she'll use every day. A wooden pendant she can wear. And 1 complete kit, the comfort bird, where everything is already prepared for you. That one comes last, because it's the easiest option on the list. 2 pieces from 2 small basswood blocks, a bunny and an egg, a set. Together they make a gift that feels complete, not like one random carved object. For this project, you need a basswood block about 2 by 2 by 4 inches, 1 for each piece. 4 tools, the C4M whittling knife for shaping the body, the C2 knife for details and the ears, the K9/10 gouge for the smooth egg surface, and the K1202 V tool for texture lines in the fur. The egg is the simpler of the 2, mostly smooth curves, no fine details. Start with it. By the time you finish the egg, you've warmed up enough to move to the bunny with confidence. Download the free pattern from our pattern library. Link in the description. Transfer it to the wood with carbon paper. You'll have a clear outline to follow before you make a single cut. Sand both pieces to 220 grit. Finish with beeswax or mineral oil. 2 small objects, 4 to 5 hours total. Full tutorial on the Beavercraft channel, link below. A dove reads immediately. Everyone knows what it means. It's symbolic in a way most carvings aren't. She doesn't have to be a bird person for this to land. 6 tools for this one. The C13 knife does most of the body shaping. It's your main roughing blade here. The K1202 V tool cuts the feather lines on the wings. The K808 gouge rounds the breast. The C7 detail knife for the fine work on the head and tail. Transfer a side profile pattern to the wood first. The free template is in our pattern library, link in the description. The wing fold is the critical line. Keep it clean and the whole bird reads. Doves are compact, no extended limbs, nothing fragile. Everything stays close to the body. Follow the channel tutorial and you'll finish in 1 afternoon. Sand to 220 grit, beeswax finish. Full dove tutorial on the Beavercraft channel, link below. A spoon is the most functional gift here. It'll be on her counter for years. Every time she reaches for it, she uses it, and she knows you made it. Start with a basswood blank, 10 by 2 by 3/4 inches. 4 tools, the C16 roughing knife for the handle and profile, the SK1 spoon knife for hollowing the bowl, that's the hook blade, it pulls the material out from inside, the C7 knife for refining the transition from handle to bowl, and the K1202 V tool if you want to add a decorative line along the handle. The bowl takes the most time. Work in thin layers. Don't try to scoop it out in one pass. Make 2 if you have time. Your second spoon will be noticeably better than the first. Give the better one. Oil the spoon before giving it. Food-safe mineral oil or beeswax. Raw basswood absorbs moisture fast in the kitchen. Full spoon tutorial on the Beavercraft channel, link below. Free spoon pattern in the pattern library. The only gift here she can wear, a small piece of wood carved into a shape hung on a cord, personal enough to mean something every time she puts it on. 2 tools, the C15 detail knife for the outer silhouette, the K1202 V tool for the decorative detail on the surface. Pick a shape from our free pattern library, oval, heart, leaf, geometric. Download, print, transfer with carbon paper. The V tool gives you clean, shallow grooves, controlled, precise, no risk of going too deep. Drill or pierce a hole at the top before final sanding. Thread a leather cord through it. The step-by-step pendant tutorial is in Beavercraft's Creative Carving magazine, link in the description. Sand to 400 grit. It touches skin, so the surface matters. Linseed oil finish, 2 to 3 hours total. If everything so far sounds like a lot, this one isn't. The Comfort Bird is the only complete kit on this list. Everything is already prepared for you. The DIY01 kit includes the C1M whittling knife, a pre-shaped basswood blank, a cherry block for a second attempt, leather strop and polishing compound, cut-resistant tape, sandpaper in 5 grits, beeswax, step-by-step booklet, and a video tutorial. The blank fits in one hand, thumb rests on the back. People call it a worry bird, something to hold when you need to settle. 2 to 3 hours, everything in one box, no separate tool shopping, no sourcing materials. This is the starting point if you've never carved before. How to choose? It comes down to who she is and how much time you have. Bunny and egg set, for someone who keeps beautiful things around her. 2 pieces, 4 to 5 hours, a complete little set. Dove, tight timeline, symbolic shape. Compact, nothing fragile, finish in an afternoon. Spoon, for someone practical. On her counter for years, she won't put it in a box. Pendant, for someone who wears jewelry, the only gift here that goes with her every day. Comfort Bird kit, never carved before, want a clear starting point. Everything in one box. 2 to 3 hours, beginner friendly, and you can combine. A dove and an egg together take about 4 hours. A spoon and a pendant, one for the kitchen, one to wear. All tools and kits are linked in the description. Free patterns for every project are in our pattern library, also linked below. The full tutorials for the bunny, dove, and spoon are on the Beavercraft channel. A handmade gift doesn't need to be perfect, it needs to be yours. Start this weekend, you have time.